Hello, everybody. Uh, Welcome to the weekly meetup. So today we're going to cover this agenda. We're going to cover the business to business update. We're going to talk about the white paper and the $10,000 marketing blitz. Then we're going to talk about get paid to raid, and then we'll open the floor for questions. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. So a quick update. We currently have a team of 4 full stack developers. They are currently getting training in Ionic, the Ionic framework, and they are getting spun up on Angular. And basically, what you can do with this is you can build a website that can then be converted into a mobile application on either Android or iOS. And it's all done so that you only have to, so basically you just code it once and then it automatically gets converted to all 3 platforms. So the MVP for this is going to be due July 28th. So they have about a month of they have a month to put together an application that is fully functional, or not fully functional, but 100% functional, and that can be used to demo with customers. So they will be able to present that to all of us. Right now, they are in training mode. Devante is putting together all of the stories, and they're going to then start the sprints where they can actually start implementing the features. Any questions on that? Okay. So we're really excited about that because if you add more, so basically, let's just cover it real quick what TradeBot is. So TradeBot is a community-owned meme coin that uses revenue streams from the community to buy and burn the supply. And this is what differentiates us from every other coin out there. Um, the reason for that is because a meme coin is a zero sum game. A meme coin does not have any intrinsic value. As soon as somebody buys a coin, they are now um, they are now taking part in the greater fool theory, which means if you want to make money on your coin, you need somebody else to buy your coin at a higher price. Okay, so if you can look at it up and down, left or right, like there is no way around it. A meme coin is a zero sum game. That means that there's going to be winners and there's going to be losers. You can have millions of people in a meme coin, but there's going to be losers because that's just how the math works out. Okay, so the only way to make a meme coin not become a gambling tool where there are winners and losers, okay, the only way to make the coin, in what I can, in my opinion, the only way to make the meme coin ethical is you need an extra inflow of money that goes into it, and by doing it that way, you can make it so that the game of musical chairs, you eliminate it because everybody will have a seat at the table, and so that's the whole point of TradeBot is we want to create these revenue streams that would allow the community to invest in the token itself uh, by using our buy and burn mechanism. What does that do? So uh, with the buy and burn mechanism, TradeBot becomes the greater fool. So that means you could buy and you could just hold, and if somebody dumps on the price, TradeBot will be there buying the dip, burning the supply, and replenishing the liquidity pool so that the holders can benefit from it. So it's awesome, and we're the only coin that has it. And there's so many. First of all, there's a lot of scam coins out there, but even the coins that are legit, the meme coins that are legit, they face the same problem. Like there's going to be winners and losers, unfortunately, and they have to figure out how to That's what makes everybody so paranoid in the crypto space. Everybody's so paranoid of rug pulls, of being scammed, and so they're always just trying to sell, sell, sell. And it's very difficult for legitimate founders to create projects that benefit everybody. Um, but we have it right here. We have the self-healing tech. Okay. So the next thing, this brings me up. This is our white paper basically. So part of the white paper, and I'm spending a lot of time on it, is making the case for community-owned revenue streams and implementing the self-healing technology for meme coins. And I want to show people through the math why it's so much better than just a regular meme coin. Okay, and so we're gonna have like different scenarios. I'm gonna have like the typical meme coins. I'm gonna have a meme coin. I'm gonna show the chart behavior of what a typical meme coin looks like, and basically it's just an up and down, and then that's it. Then it's dead. Then I'll have a meme coin that has like a lot of activity, and part of the research that has gone into that is figuring out how to extract the transactions from DEX tools. So we figured out how to do that. Now I'm using that data and evaluating it and then putting it within the paper itself. Um, but basically, what it's going to look like is it's going to be night and day. Like you have a meme coin and it's going to have a bump, it goes up and then it comes back down and then it's dead. But then when you have TradeBot involved with the revenue stream, you're going to then see it go up and then go down and then they'll start picking back up again. It's math. Like I don't even have there's no experimentation I have to do. Like I already know because I've just been studying it for so long. So I'm going to be able to showcase that to people and show them like this is this is the token to buy basically. Um, so once I get the white paper done, so let me go back to the website. Yes, let me go back to the website. All right. And let's go to tradebot.cash. So we have a website here so one of the first things we wanted to do before we start our marketing blitz is get this video up and running. So on the front page, you can, when you're trying to, you know, if you want to recruit new holders, you can use this video and it gives you a very broad explanation of what TradeBot is. It talks about the community revenue streams. It talks about the buy and burn strategy, and it explains why this is such a great coin for holders. However, if you want to get into the nitty gritty details, this is where we're going to create the white paper. The white paper link is going to be located right here on the header. I'm still working on that though. Once it gets complete, then we'll go ahead and post it. And then you will then be able to share that with your friends and family who are super technical, super detail oriented. And what's funny is anybody who knows crypto, they've already adapted to be like that. So when you start talking to friends and family, they're going to start asking, well, what's the use case? How many hold? They'll start asking all these weird questions. You're like, what the heck? So they'll surprise you. And so that's what the white paper is going to be for, so that you could share it with people and then they can study it. And it's going to be pretty intensive. Like I want to make it so that by the time you finish reading that, you're a believer and you're all in with this. Okay. So yeah. So does anybody have any questions on that? Okay. The next thing we wanted to cover is get paid to raid. So I am a firm believer in rewarding community members who show dedication and commitment to our coin, and um, get paid to raid is awesome. So last week we were talking about how we were looking at the Mad University and the Lab Coin and how they do their marketing. Um, get paid to raid. We have it up and running now. It is 100% functional. We already have people getting paid in TradeBot. So let me show you how it works. The first thing you want to do is go to our Discord. So let me see here. Go to our official links here. Okay. So when you go into the official links, you're going to see this link here that says get paid to raid. And so what you want to do is you want to click on this, and it's going to take you to this Telegram link right here. Okay. You want to open this in Telegram desktop because it's a lot easier. Try not to do this on your phone. Do this on Telegram desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And as soon as I open this, it's going to come up with these instructions on explaining how you can connect to our TradeBot Rate to Earn community. Okay. And so when you do this, you want to then connect your wallet here. So you click on Connect Wallet, and then you open this up. And as soon as you open this up, it's going to ask. Oh, that's an old link. Sorry about that. But basically, it's going to ask for. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So you click on Solana. Let me actually go back and do that again. So let's go back to Telegram. We're here. So join group. So this is what you want to click on. You want to click on Welcome to TradeBot Rate to Earn, join group. You click on this. Oh, I'm sorry. Jeez Louise.
Share your screen.
Yes. I didn't. I thought you were on your phone, so that's why I wasn't sharing. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, so let me go back and do it again. We'll edit it.
Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go through it again. So let me close out of this. Let me close out of this. Okay, so what you want to do to join, get paid to raid, you go to Discord here, and you go to the official links page, which is right here, and then you click on Get Paid to Raid. You click on this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open this in the Telegram desktop. You don't want to do this on your phone. I mean, I'm sure you can, but it's a lot easier when you have it on your desktop. So now that you have this, okay, you want to click on Start. And when you start, the Collabland bot, by the way, the Collabland bot is very trusted in the community, okay? If you want to create a whole new Phantom wallet for this, that is fine. Go for it, okay? But the Collabland is pretty trusted. So now that you have this, right, Collabland now supports multi-wallet verification. I already have my wallet connected on this. I have an experimental wallet for this. But what you want to do is you want to do add a new wallet, okay? And when you click on add a new wallet, it brings up these instructions that tells you how to join the TradeBot Get Paid to Raid group, okay? And so for me to pay you TradeBot, I need to know your wallet. So that's what the whole point of this thing is making sure that you have a working wallet and that you're also a holder of TradeBot. So like nobody can just come in here, and you got to actually own 5,000 TradeBot before you can join this group. Okay, and we did that so that the airdrop farmers, people, so we know the people that are in here are committed basically. So click connect wallet here, hit open, and then once you've done this, now you're going to come up to Solana. So let me go ahead and go to Phantom here, and I am going to go to my experimental. I have a wallet that is just experimental, and I use it for basically figuring out marketing strategies and things like that. So now that I have this hooked up, I'm going to click on Solana here. I'm going to click on Phantom, and then I'm going to sign the message. So the Phantom wallet comes up, and it says connect with Collabland. I'm going to confirm. Okay, now that the wallet is connected, I get a new message from Telegram. So I'm going to go back to Telegram. Now it says, welcome to TradeBot, get paid to rate. So what happened here was when I signed it, it checked to see if I had 5,000 TradeBot in there. If you do not have if you do not have the 5,000 TradeBot, you will not get invited. It would just say, nope, you can't. You're not a you can't. You don't have enough TradeBot basically. So now that I submitted this and I've been verified that I have the 5,000, I can now join the group. I don't know if it's slow or I think maybe I've already joined it, so maybe that's why. So let's just copy this link right here. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm just going to paste it again so that you know that that link goes to our site. So I'm going to hit the paste. Okay, and then I'm going to join the group. So this is TradeBot Get Paid to Raid. I'm going to join the group. I'm going to open this Telegram. Okay, and now I'm actually in the site TradeBot Get Paid to Raid. So these are all the different channels here. So let's take a look at these. The first one is the announcements. The announcements is basically a welcome page and any important information that we want to share with people. Okay. The next page is setup. So now that you have your wallet set up and everything, you now have to register with the ATM raid bot. So the ATM raid bot is the bot in Telegram that controls all the raids, and it keeps track of all of your earnings basically. So when you do register at ATM raid bot, this is going to say that I'm already registered. Yeah, I'm already registered. But what this thing, when you run this, it's going to ask you two things. It's going to say, what is your wallet address? And it's also going to ask you, what is your Twitter account? Okay. So this is very important. You got to make sure the Twitter account matches what your actual Twitter account is. And then you also got to add make sure that you use the same wallet that's your Phantom wallet. Okay. So once you do those two things and then you register, now you are available, or now you have the ability to participate in raids. Okay. And so this right here is a good example of what a raid looks like. So it says right here, raid TradeBot caches tweet. And so when you click on this link right here, the tweet right here is actually for our weekly meetup. So I did a tweet like 2 hours ago for our weekly meetup. It says, good morning, everyone. Just a reminder that you have a weekly meetup on Discord every Saturday. And we have 58 views on it. And here is our comments, retweets, and likes. Okay. So I posted this up and we ran a raid on it. And so this video then came up and it locked the chat screen. That means people can't even type in chat, right? Because it's telling everybody like, look, you got to do this. You're not part of a raid. Go ahead and get this done, type of thing. So right here it says 307 replies. So basically, we want to get 4 more replies. We wanted to get 3 more retweets. We want to get 6 more likes. And so when you have a huge community of people doing this, it's very easy to then share and like and get the word out for that one tweet. Okay. So now that let's say you participated in this, right? So let me go ahead and let me actually start a new raid. So let's do this real quick. So I'm going to go back here to TradeBot, and I am going to start a new raid. So hello, or I'm going to do a new tweet. Hello, actually, we'll do this one. This is funny.
Bot. Your friends and family will. So, I have been saying this for a while. Look at TradeBot. Those guys got it right. Get and hold TradeBot. Your friends and family will look at you like a financial guru.
Oh my gosh. So we're gonna quote this. And then let's see what we want to tweet. Hey guys, you should buy TradeBot. You should buy TradeBot. Even AI Joe Rogan loves it. Yeah, even AI Joe Rogan recommends it. Shoot. Okay, so let's go ahead and post this. And now that we have this post, I could click on this link, and I take that tweet right here, and I'm gonna put it back into the Discord. So I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So we're gonna do raid, and it's gonna ask me for a tweet. So I hit this. New replies, let's just say 2. New retweets, let's say 2. New likes 2. And bookmarks, we'll say 0. Okay. Now, what are the raid instructions? Show Joe Rogan love and comment on TradeBot. Okay, and then I hit enter. And so now what happens, see how this thing just popped up. Lockdown initiated. Chat is on lockdown. Raid at TradeBot's tweet to unlock chat and earn tokens. Raiders, let's have some fun with this one. Highlight the AI Joe Rogan endorsement with clever and witty comments. Share your excitement about TradeBot and why it's the next big thing on Solana. Avoid sounding spammy or generic. Make it personal and engaging. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, I'm going to go back into, I'm going to click. Now you see how somebody tried to type something in there and then it disappeared? It's because now the chat is now in lockdown. Okay. And our goal is we got to get 2 of each of these things before we can actually complete the raid. So let's go back to the tweet here. And in here, I'm going to swap to my other account. And I'm going to go to that page. So I'm going to click on this link right here. I'm going to like, I will retweet it, and then I'm going to write a funny comment, or at least what I think is funny. So let's see what we could say here. Thank you, Joe. TradeBot is the Anderson Silva of meme coins. We're here for the knockout. Okay, and then let's see if we can find a GIF that we can put on here for Anderson Silva. I think Anderson Silva he does the little karate thing, or like the little dance thing. Yeah, let's do this one. All right, so now that we've replied, okay, now that we've replied and all of this was sent or it has been posted, we're gonna go back over here, and you can see already. Look, check this out. There's been 1 of 2 retweets, and there's been 1 of 2 likes, and then there's 0 of 2 replies. So once this thing, yeah, now it got generated. Now it's 1 of 2 replies, 1 of 2 retweets. So now we just got to wait for somebody else to come in and actually help push this along to get this completed. Okay. I don't know if we actually want to wait or not. We'll probably just cancel it, and then that way I can just show you how the payment works. So we're going to, let's wait. Let's see if there's anybody else going on. What are the notifications we got here? So let's see. Do we got anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay, we'll go ahead and cancel it. All right, so let's go ahead and cancel this. By the way, you guys don't have to know how to do any of this stuff yet, unless you're a raid leader. If you just want to participate in raids, all you got to do is just go about your day normally, and then whenever a raid gets started, you'll get the notification that a raid's starting, and then you can go in and then just do your like, tweet, and retweet, or your like, retweet, and comment. So now that we've got this done, let's go ahead and start paying out. So I'm going to do raid pay. And I'm going to paste the tweet that we just rated right now. Okay, and then when I hit enter, let's see what happens. It says raid rewards are on the way. And it takes a while. Okay, cool. And it says here that TradeBot Cash, which is me, was just paid 80 TradeBot, and it was sent over to my wallet. Awesome. It says Chad Raider. So what's cool about this is all AI driven. So the AI actually tells you critiques on your comments. So Noob Dad Gaming, funny and relatable analogy with Anderson Silva, nice touch, energetic and hype inducing, definitely grabs attention. Bad Raider, so the Chad Raider, Bad Raider. This is the things I could have done better. I could have included the TradeBot hashtag for better visibility. The thank you Joe part is a bit unclear and might confuse reader. Okay. So the AI is very harsh. If you only write something like, let's go, or something very generic, it will only give you one TradeBot. Okay, so just know about that. That you have to put in a very smart comment, not even that smart. You just got to put something that's original, and the TradeBot will or the RaidBot will reward you for it. Any questions? So this is a very, very fun way of getting everybody to participate on different raids, and it also rewards you for your dedication, and that's what I love to see. I want to see the people that are the guys that are grinding it. I want them to be rewarded the most, basically. So you'll get that with this. All right,
That's
and
awesome.
yes, it's so cool. I love it. Okay, so that we've pretty much covered the entire agenda. I'm going to open the floor for questions. Does anybody have any questions? Okay, I'll give it a little bit more. All right. Well, if there are no questions, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I know my weekend's going to be great. I'm going to be working on finishing the white paper. And like I said before, once we complete the white paper, we'll then start our $10,000 marketing blitz. We want to make sure that the foundation is there first before we start spending money. And please join our paid to raid, because when it is go time, we're definitely going to be using this to push the coin to others. So, all right. Well, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.
Thanks, Jerry.
Thank you.